Hey guys, today I will be unboxing this ICHIRAN ramen. Now, just from the front of the box, you can already see this super appetizing picture of what the ramen looks like. This is a Tonkotsu pork bone broth flavor. On the back, we've got the nutrition facts and clear cooking instructions, with step-by-step instructions and visual aids to make it easy to follow. There's also the list of ingredients for each item in the package. It's made in Japan, so this is about as authentic as it gets, straight out of the box. The closest thing to actually flying to Japan and trying Ichiran ramen in person. Alright, let's open it up. Everything inside is packed really neatly. You've got the spice packets, the soup packets, and the noodle themselves, all in trees. This is a 3-pack. It has 3 servings. First up, the spice packet. This one's made from togarashi peppers, and I love that it's separate so you can adjust the spice level however you like. Next, the soup base. This is the liquid tonkatsu pork bone broth concentrate. You just pour it in after cooking the noodles, water and everything, and it turns into this rich, creamy, comforting broth that smells amazing. And finally, the noodles. These are straight cut Hakata-style noodles. They're super chewy and have this nice bite to them, and they cook really quickly. You get 3 individual bundles in one box, which is super convenient. I actually made them the other night, and here's how they turned out. It is flavorful, rich, and the spice wasn't too strong, even though I used the whole packet. I highly recommend this if you're craving that taste of Japan without having to hop on a plane.